en buvant trop mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, poupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois, a bu ma bière dans un grand verre en cas.
Hey everybody, do you want to know the quickest weekday meal ever and incredibly tasty as well? Well, it's going to be a pizza, but it's going to be a really delicious, crispy, thin crust pizza with barbecue sauce, chicken, and bacon. What's not to love? Okay, that's a pretty good combination right there. Now, what you want to do is go get the rotisserie chicken first at something like BJ's. I get it for $4 and change. They lose money on that. They expect you to go to the back of the store where the chicken is located, pick up $200 worth of stuff, and then, proceed to check out. Nope, not Denny. He goes to the back of the store and gets the chicken only. And then I run out of the store with $4 and change this beautiful rotisserie chicken. So that's what I'm going to use. You have this leftover chicken? Let's do something with it. So let's start cooking. I'm not sure you even have to write this down. It's so simple. A wrap. This is like a CD multi-grain kind of healthy thing. That's my favorite one. Well, I got a lot of favorites, but this is one anyway. And we have a cup of cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. You can use any kind of cheese as far as I'm concerned. Have fun with it. And we have some of the rotisserie chicken and a slice of bacon. I'm probably going to add another slice of bacon to this, but anyway, all I have to do is we're going to break up the chicken a little bit over here and put it in a bowl. And you can use your fingers, you can use a knife. This is so tender. That's the beauty about a rotisserie chicken, is they're super, super tender. Well, most of them anyway. Like I said, and they're cheap. So you can't make them for that price. So why wouldn't you buy one of those? Keep it in the refrigerator, make all kinds of fun dishes like this. Have fun. Use somebody else's kitchen. Make them the sous chef for a change. Yeah. Okay. So I got it all broken up, and I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. This is jerk barbecue, which I like. It's got a little flavor to it, right? We're going to mix that up, and we're going to microwave that because I want it warm when I put it on this tortilla, and I'll show you why. I'm going to break up. Bacon is so crispy, it's breaking up by itself. All right. Let's get to the stove. You know what that is? That is a big pot of my tomatoes from my garden. I'm making a beautiful sauce, but that's for another recipe. We're gonna work on our little pizza. Here's my wrap. Here's the pan. Oh, that was easy, wasn't it? Okay, the pan, that's a mineral steel pan from Dubai Air. I can't recommend it enough. They become non-stick after a few uses. Okay, so one side is kind of crispy, and now it's time to do some of the magic. We're gonna put the cheese on here while it's hot. That's why as soon as you flip it over, put that cheese, try to distribute it as evenly as you can. There we go. And I microwaved the chicken and barbecue so that it's hot. And so it'll melt the cheese. And that's why you want to put it in the microwave and warm it up to help it melt the cheese over here. And if you're having a hard time melting the cheese, just put a cover on this, and that'll work nice too. Whoa, that's really, come on. That's just amazing stuff right there. Now we can add the bacon. Put a little crumbly bacon on top over there. Try to get artistic over here. Just throw it on. Do whatever you want. This is your pizza. Don't let anybody tell you what to do. That's your pizza. Oh, and you know what? This is a personal pizza, right? So if you get into a fight with your significant other, it's your pizza. Cook your own, man. It's mine. That's the good thing about this. I call this the fight pizza. Oh, you got a little tiff? It's personal. It's mine. Make your own. It's done! I'm so excited. I'm really hungry. So let's launch into this. Get a little pizza wheel or one of the other cutters. Any one of them really works. And this is a personal pizza, so you could just cut it into 4 slices because it'll make a perfect size. I mean, really, look at that! Or how about eating it? Having a moment. Alright, do you see how easy that was? The flavors, just crazy. So try it. You can do it in 5 minutes, maybe 6, okay? Anyway, you're gonna love it. And do this for your friends and your family. And cook in the kitchen with your friends and family. Make memories that'll last a lifetime. Santé.
J'ai sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant prends mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, poupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois, a bu ma bière dans un grand